Ever feel like your projects are just messy? Deadlines are getting missed, approvals are stuck, and everyone's busy but nothing actually gets done? Maybe your marketing campaign is stuck in review, HR is buried in paperwork, or your event plans are spinning out of control. So you try to fix it. More meetings, more emails, more spreadsheets, but things just don't seem to move. That's where Agile methodology comes in to save you. You can break big projects into smaller pieces across all teams, check in often, and actually finish stuff together. So if you want to use the Agile methodology for your projects, stay with me, because I've curated 5 easy steps to apply Agile methodology for non-software teams that can help you get things done starting right now. So let's kickstart this list by figuring out what your project is really about. What's the main goal? What does success look like for you and your team? Once you've got that figured out, it's time to set up your project's home base. In ClickUp, that means creating a ClickUp space, a central hub where you can set goals, assign tasks, and keep track of deadlines. You can even invite your team to join in, so everyone's working from the same playbook. With everything in one place, you'll always know where your project stands and what needs attention. Once you know where you're headed, the next step is to make the journey manageable. Why? Because big projects can feel overwhelming. What you can do instead is break down big tasks down into smaller, bite-sized items. You can use ClickUp's lists to organize your work into actionable tasks. With ClickUp's task management features, you can easily assign deadlines, set priorities, and make sure everyone knows what they're responsible for. And for planning capacity, we have the Workload view in ClickUp. It lets you see who's got too much on their plate and who can take on more. By dividing and assigning work this way, you can make sure nothing is missed and every part of the project gets the attention it deserves. Now, remember the Agile methodology isn't just about finishing tasks. It's about people working together, sharing ideas, keeping everyone in the loop. Sounds simple, right? Except it never is. Messages get lost, updates don't reach everyone, and about 42% of knowledge workers are still stuck emailing coworkers despite their team not replying in time. ClickUp Docs are the perfect antidote for this. They unlock real-time collaboration so you can co-create and edit them simultaneously with your team, keeping everyone on the same page quite literally. And if you want to talk, use ClickUp Chat for exchanging quick text updates or join instant calls via sync-ups to hash out the details live. When everyone's communicating openly, you'll spot issues early and solve them before they turn into real problems. Now that your team is collaborating well, it's important to keep things moving at a steady pace. The Agile method is all about building a regular work rhythm via short, focused work cycles called sprints. With ClickUp Sprints feature, you can easily group tasks into time-bound goals, set reoccurring due dates, and keep everyone on the same cadence. Run daily stand-ups or quick check-ins right in ClickUp Chat, or task comments to share updates and clear blockers fast. Your team can use ClickUp Brain to auto-draft these stand-ups for you. As the world's most contextual AI assistant, Brain scans your ClickUp workspace for your task updates and bundles them into a neat summary of progress. Then, use ClickUp Dashboards to visualize sprint progress in real time. See what's ahead, spot bottlenecks early, and make data-driven adjustments before the next sprint begins. Finally, to really make Agile work for your team, you need to keep learning and adapting. Take time to look back and see what worked well and what could be improved. Try ClickUp's SWOT analysis template to figure out what your team's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats are. And if you want to take it one step up, use ClickUp's Agile platform. It will help you manage roadmaps, sprints, backlogs, and more. So you can use what you learned to tweak your process, set new goals, and make your projects run even smoother. You can even use ClickUp's ready-to-use templates to get a head start on your Agile projects. For example, say you're in marketing, you can break big campaigns down into weekly sprints using ClickUp's Agile marketing templates to keep things organized. And if you're in HR, you can manage hiring by turning each stage, like sourcing and interviews, into clear, trackable tasks with ClickUp's HR tools. Event planners can use ClickUp's multiple event templates to handle venues, vendors, and schedules in focus sprints for different event types. Product teams outside tech run design, prototyping, and testing as separate sprints, collaborating in ClickUp's product feedback survey template or new product development template for smooth progress. And if you are handling construction projects, move ahead by dividing big builds into phases, tracking every stage in ClickUp to keep everyone aligned. At the end of the day, working the Agile way means less guessing, better planning, and more doing. With ClickUp, you'll keep your team in sync, your progress visible, and your projects moving forward, one sprint at a time. Ready to make teamwork smoother and results faster? Sign up for ClickUp today at ClickUp.com and bring a little more agility to your day.